Guys, it is 10:56 and my shift is at 11:45. I'm doing mid shift for someone. 11:45 to 1:45. It's like mommy duty day because normally I do 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. and I'm done, and then I have my normal life. But this morning, since the shift is in the middle of the day, I'm working for someone. She's a commuter, and so I picked up her shift, and she did a trade with me because I needed next weekend off. So my husband dropped off. Do you guys name your kids? I have 3 boys, so it's number 1, number 2, number 3. 1 is meaning the oldest and 3 the youngest. So I dropped off my husband dropped off number 1 and number 2. I dropped off number 3 at 8, and then I had little errands to run. I had to go to Target and different places like that. And then my shift should start in about maybe 45 minutes. I am about a block and a half away from the airport, but I have not eaten today, so I need to pick up something to eat. And generally for mid shift, I need to eat a lot. I feel like I need to get my energy up or something. So I'm gonna go to Baker's and just get some food, and I will catch up with you guys in a minute. Hi. Okay, thank you. Guys, it is about maybe 40 minutes before my shift, so it generally takes me about 8 minutes to walk from my car. So I'm gonna sit my butt down here and chill and hang out on my phone and eat my fast food. I know it's bad. I got burrito and I got fries. So I'm just gonna enjoy myself, chill out for the next 30 minutes or so, and I will see you guys in a minute. So I checked the app. Wow, I'm so full. I checked the app, and the flight is on time. It's in the air. It's a Denver flight. It left on time, so everything looks good right now. So far, so good with this shift. So I looked at what I am doing, and I am doing off-road. So I'm not going to be inside the plane. I'm going to be out of the plane, and I'm going to be taking the bags down. For the mornings. Okay. Off. And on. Yeah, just the air. There's no AC. Does it drive like a normal car? So this bag right here did not make it. This is the bag of a standby person that did not make it on the plane. So I have to take it to the ticket counter. So sad. I take this very seriously because I'm a standby passenger as well. And I always am rooting for the standby passenger to make the flight. But unfortunately, there are not enough seats. So I'm going to go ahead and return this, and they're going to go pick it up at the ticket counter.
your prepaid ticket or insert a
Hi guys, my shift is done. It was a good day. The main thing we did was when the plane came in, put the conveyor belt up there, unload the bags, dropped off the bags at baggage claim, and helped with some carry-ons that needed to go in the plane. And that was it. It was an easy shift. Actually, I really enjoyed this mid shift. If I didn't have to, if my youngest was in school all day, I think I would do mid shift a little bit more. My mom watches the baby, picks him up from preschool. So for me, morning shift is easy just because I don't have to worry about having someone watch my child, pick them up and everything. But once he starts school, if I'm still working for the airlines, hopefully I am, I think I like this mid shift. It's like you don't have to wake up early, you don't have to go to bed late. You got that 2 hours in the middle of the day and you are done. So if you guys work mid shift, morning shift, night shift, tell me what you guys like. Everyone has a preference. So it was a good day, and now it's 1:49 and it is back to my real life. Mommy duties. Gonna pick my youngest up and then go pick up the middle schooler and start dinner and start the rest of my life. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you in the next video.